So today, there's so much information everywhere, information overload. Does that make it harder for active investors? The indexers say everyone's got access to the same information at the same time. You can't beat the market.
Well, the way you beat the index is you avoid the stocks to go down. You avoid the steel companies and the oil companies and Sears and Penny and where the companies are deteriorated. I mean, companies are dynamic. Behind every stock, there's a company. These are not lottery tickets. So you're trying to find the companies within the S&P 500 that are doing better. They're going from crappy to semi-crappy to good. That might take a couple of years, or they're going to grow for a long time. And you're trying to avoid the companies that are going south. That's how you beat them. Or you find some companies outside the S&P 500 that are great companies. CarMax was not in the S&P 500. They went up 200-fold. There's a lot of companies that enter, and a lot of their great performances before they go in.